Welcome to our guided meditation session for today. I will help guide you through a session where you will see how we can tap into our creativity. During this time of unknown and the shift away from the customary norm, many people might find it difficult to focus on their creative sides and might even find that they are blocked and cannot think of any new ideas. Meditation and creativity go hand in hand. Creativity is different for everybody. It is more than just having unique ideas. What is an idea if there is no action taken on it? When we meditate and rest in awareness, we are resting in creativity. We are creating the conditions to move through life effortlessly, from one situation to the next, and with a sense of freedom. This state comes with a sense of purpose, with fluidity, and a sense of direction with ease. Things change, and we change with it. Through the eyes of meditation, this is what is meant to be creative. Whether or not you are actively creating ideas or a piece of work, you are constantly changing. This may help put to action the thoughts that we have. Meditation allows us to access the resourceful space within us. A flow state is experienced where the mind is calm and undistracted, which allows us to get a clear sense of what lies beneath our thoughts and our feelings. This is where creative thinking thrives. Creativity isn't just a switch that can be turned on or off. It's an energy that can be tapped into and exercised. So let's try to access a creative spark and make it part of your life right now. Let's start to access your creative aspect of mind. Take a moment to get comfortable, body upright but relaxed, eyes gently open, nice, soft focus. Be aware of what's around you. When you're ready, take some nice, deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, and continue this. With the next exhalation, Just close your eyes now as you allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, settling into the space around you, becoming familiar with the sounds and surroundings. Bring attention back to your body as you scan down to notice any areas of comfort and discomfort, and noticing any strong underlying moods. Be clear in your mind why you are doing this exercise. Remember your intention defining your experience with this exercise, but without thinking too much about it and just having a sense of what it is. Shift your attention to your breath as you start to become more familiar on where in the body you feel the breath, and just picking up the rhythm, that rising and falling sensation. Breathing in, rising, breathing out, falling. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As you continue to watch your breath in this way, just imagine in the middle of your body, there's a little tiny speck of light right there in the middle of your chest. The speck of light is your creative spark. It's as though you imagine it begins to expand in every direction, front and back, up and down, left and right. Just a huge ball increasing outwards in every possible and imaginable direction. The quality is very bright, very light, very spacious. As it begins to expand beyond your body and into the space around you, let it expand as far as your mind wants it to go. Fill the space around you and let it go outwards. Let this continue to fill the space. It can go outward further and further out to wherever light may be. The oceans, the mountains, anywhere you feel at peace, it can be. It can go as far as your mind can allow, being limitless in any and every direction. Still be aware with your breath and how it moves in and out with the mind to rest in. This space you're in is free of any expectations. Just be aware. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue to breathe with your breath moving in and out. Rest your mind in this space and let go of any focus. Let your mind do whatever it wants to do in the next minute. Just simply breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue with your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe in and breathe out, gently bring attention to your body. Start to feel the weight of your body again. Start to notice sounds, smells, anything in the immediate space around you. In your own time, gently open your eyes. Don't move, just maintain your posture and notice how you feel. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice how you feel. Do you feel lighter? More focused? Have you made any discoveries? Have you fueled yourself from the energy within and around you? Maybe you came across a thought or an idea. Are you going to follow through? If so, how? Find a few times today where you can replay this exercise much more briefly and tap into your creative energy and notice where your breath leads you. Does your breath lead you to your creativity? What does your breath do for you? I'm so happy that you joined me in this session and in your efforts with living mindfully, with intention, and trying your best to tap into your inner creativity. See you again soon. Have a beautiful remainder of your day or evening.